Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's start with a single question. Have you ever wondered how plants know which direction it should grow and why shoots grow towards light and roots towards soil? The answer lies in a specific plant hormone called auxin. In this video, I will discuss auxin, its function, classification, agricultural importance, etc. So, let's start the video. Auxin is a plant growth hormone. Its production sites include shoot apical meristem, developing seeds, young leaves. There are two types of auxin: natural auxin, synthetic auxin. Natural auxin includes indole 3 acetic acid. This is the chemical structure of indole 3 acetic acid. And next one is indole 3 butyric acid. And synthetic auxin includes 2,4-D. It acts as a weed control agent. And next one is naphthalene acetic acid. This classification is very much important for different competitive exams. Now let's elaborately talk about role of auxin in plant body. First one is phototropism. In this picture, you can see that the plant body is bending towards the light. This type of movement is called phototropism. But why this is happening? Due to unequal distribution of auxin. So, when light falls from one side of the plant body, the auxin molecules are transported to the darker side. One important thing, in shoot, more auxin promotes cell elongation. More cell elongation takes place in the darker side, and darker side grows faster and bends towards the light. In this way, phototropism takes place. And next one is geotropism. In this picture, you can see that the roots are growing towards the soil, towards gravity. This type of movement is called geotropism. In the shoot, more auxin promotes cell elongation, but in root, more auxin inhibits cell elongation. So, in the lower side, as more auxins are present, cell elongation decreases. But in upper side, less auxins are present. So, more cell elongation occurs and root bends towards the soil. And next one is cell elongation. Auxin also promotes elongation of cells. But how? If you want to know this, I can explain it simply in my next video. And next one is apical dominance. The growing apical bud inhibits the growth of axillary bud. This phenomenon is called apical dominance. This is also occurred due to auxin. So, if you cut the upper portion of the plant body, more lateral branches will produce and more plant become more bushy. More fruits, flowers will be produced. Auxin also promotes fruit development, helps in seedless fruit formation. This process is called parthenocarping. In the watermelon fruit, you can see that there is no seeds are present within the fruit. These fruits has high commercial value. And next one is root formation. Auxin promotes lateral roots or adventitious root formation. And this is widely used for vegetative propagation in nursery or horticultural practices. Auxin is widely used as a root induction hormone. And next one is prevention of leaf drop or abscission. So, what is leaf drop or abscission? Leaf abscission means falling of leaves from the plant body. Auxin prevents this phenomenon. So, in a summary, we can conclude that auxin helps in different aspects of plant life like fruit formation, seedless fruit formation, phototropism, geotropism, cell elongation, induction of adventitious roots, etc. etc. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for further updates. And thank you.